In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bitcoin using the OKX app. By following these steps, you will successfully purchase Bitcoin and have it reflected in your account wallet. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth experience. Once the app is open, if you are not already signed in, you will need to log into your account, enter your credentials, and tap the login button to access your account. After logging in, you will typically see the home screen of the app. Here, look for the option labeled Buy Crypto. This option is often prominently displayed on the home screen or can be found by navigating to the trade section and selecting Buy Crypto. Tap on this option to proceed. Next, you will need to select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Look for the option labeled Bitcoin or BTC in the list of available cryptocurrencies. Tapping on Bitcoin will allow you to continue with the purchase process. Once you've selected Bitcoin, you will need to enter the amount you wish to buy. This can be done by typing the desired amount in your local currency, such as PHP or USD. Ensure that you enter a valid amount, as this will determine how much Bitcoin you will acquire. After entering the amount, the next step is to select your preferred payment method. You will typically find options like debit or credit card, bank transfer, or various e-wallets such as GC Cash or PayPal, depending on your region. Choose the payment method that suits you best and ensure that you have the necessary details ready for the transaction. To finalize your purchase, tap the Buy or Confirm button. At this point, you may be prompted to complete payment authentication, which could involve entering a one-time password, also known as OTP, or completing a 3D secure verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once the payment is confirmed, your Bitcoin will be added to your wallet. To verify that the BTC has been successfully purchased, navigate to the wallet section and then to assets. Here you should see the Bitcoin listed along with your other assets. This confirms that the purchase was successful and your Bitcoin is now available.